Aggression is a natural, innate feeling given to us to protect ourselves and our interests. But while an animal attacks only in specific situations, with us humans it is much more complicated. Aggression is often transformed from an instinctive tool of self-defense into an unhealthy mechanism of destruction. Passive aggression can be compared to spreading poison. It is so-called toxic behavior. The victim's self-esteem drops. There is a persistent feeling of inferiority. The mood deteriorates, pessimistic moods, and negative scenarios of the future are formed. How do you resist passive aggression? First step, legalize aggression. Make the aggression explicit to return the attacker responsibility for his actions. Questions like, "So what's going on now? What are you doing now? Are you trying to devalue me, hurt me? What purpose do you say that for? What reaction do you expect from me now?" This gives you a chance to rebuild the relationship. Step 2. Protect yourself. It's important to distance yourself or reinforce boundaries. Sometimes distancing yourself or even cutting off communication is the best way out. Let there be pluses in communication, but if there is such a minus attached to it, then in a relationship, as in mathematics, plus for minus gives a minus. Christina and Tatiana have been friends since childhood. Tatiana married early, while Christina was looking for something. At some point, Christina began to notice that Tatiana devalued all of her admirers, while setting an example of her husband and her own relationships. Tatiana explained what was happening by taking care of her friend, but in fact she entered into a competitive relationship and acted passive-aggressive. When Christine married, she realized that her friend was devaluing her marriage and sought to destroy it by instilling doubt in her husband and his love. As bitter as it was for Christine to stop communicating with her childhood friend, she made up her mind and kept the marriage alive. Step 3. Change your attitude toward the situation. If you cannot distance yourself, it is worth strengthening the psychological boundaries, developing resilience, not taking this person's words to heart, and not giving in to provocations. In this case, you will be helped by contact statements, short remarks instead of dialogue. "Oh, it looks like you are in a bad mood. Thank you for sharing your opinion. I heard you. Well, it looks like we see it differently."